All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Now we are gonna be going on a little bit of a night run. It has been a very long time since I have done something like this in the Shelby GT350. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, neighbors. But at the same time, it is what it is. Got that E85. Whew. Go ahead and make a run to the gas station real quick though, because I'm at 4070E. Need to do this right now. Let me see. Yep, well, 4060E now. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll catch you when the car's warmed up and we're on the way. All right, we are behind the wheel. It has been a minute since I have done a late night POV. Oil temp still gotta warm up, it's only 165. I'm gonna be giving you guys kind of the passenger POV in this vid as well, because a lot of you guys seem to enjoy that during the daytime POV, so we'll do it again for the nighttime. Let me know down in the comment section what POV angle you guys like the best. Because honestly, I think for like the hard pulls video with the Pro Charger setup, I think the passenger POV might be better for that. I don't know. I think it gives it... First of all, the audio is better. That's for sure, because it's near the window. But I don't know. It just kind of looks cooler on cam. Let me know what y'all think, man. To be honest with you, they're both very easy to set up. It's just, you know, what you guys prefer to see. Is that a cop? Peeking? No. Thought it was, man. Where am I at? At 40 to the E. Shit. I guarantee this light up here is about to turn red. I wonder if the gas station's popping. What did I say? Oil temp is warming up. It's at 174 now. It is cool tonight. Whew. A lot of trucks out. Tanker trucks. One right there, got one right there. There's a few back there. We got one over there as well. Yeah, they all over the place tonight, y'all. That's kind of the best time to do it. It's like at 1:32 o'clock. Oh. Better driving at night, man. No cars on the road. Way different from these past couple days. Shit, no traffic. Past couple POVs, it was gridlocked, especially on the highway and right here. Man, it was terrible. gas station. Hell yeah. What the hell? What did I just run over?
A few moments later.
Alright, that was a Gatorade bottle I ran over. I was like, wait, what? Did my lip just fall off? We better put 15 bucks in here. Late night POV, man. Gas has been the same for like 4 days. It's a massive W. Whew. And it's crazy. Ain't nobody here besides like one car. I've been coming here at like 2:30, 3 o'clock a couple days, and it's always crazy the amount of people that be at the station. I'm gonna have to go get that, but I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, so hopefully you guys can hear me for this brief second, but we are doing the passenger cam POV, and we're actually leaving at the perfect time because I think the fuel truck just came here, so it's time to dip. Oh yeah, fuel truck just dropped off their load, so we about to dip. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this angle at night. I'm actually gonna just turn this on. Let's throw this in track mode. All right, so it's the next day. Hope you guys enjoyed the late night POV drive at 2 a.m. Now, I think there's some weird stuff going on with my GoPro, especially when I do the passenger POV. I believe at night, not during the day, because I've already recorded and uploaded a video during the day and I had no issues. I think at night it loses stability due to the excess wind and the low lighting. I might need to go ahead and upgrade to the GoPro Max if I want to do the passenger POV angles. And honestly, the GoPro Max will allow me to do kind of, you know, the GTA style, which I think a lot of people enjoy. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. And obviously, let me know what you think of the passenger POV. I think it looks pretty cool. Obviously, there's nothing on my head, so it is technically easier to record, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it with the GoPro 10 just due to the fact that it loses stability at night. But during the day, be Gucci. So if you guys enjoyed, feel free, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.